Make sure your fill and stroke are set to default by pressing D on the keyboard. We're going to go up and we're going to draw a couple of circles as though we are creating a cloud. So go ahead and just draw a couple of circles of different sizes as though you are making a cloud. Have the circles overlap just a bit. And so here you can see my cloud. It does not look very cloud-like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of the shapes. I'm going to come over and find the Shape Builder tool, and it shows you this little animation on how you can combine different shapes that are selected. So I can go ahead and select the Shape Builder tool. I click and I drag. You can see it has the gray and white hash marks inside of here. I am done. It now is a cloud that looks more like a cloud and less like a bunch of circles. Next, I'm going to make a row of clouds or maybe a scalloped edge. I'm going to select my ellipse tool. I'm going to draw an ellipse. I would like to duplicate it and make multiple as though they are in a chain. I'm going to click on my selection tool. I hold the Alt key and I drag. I'm going to hold the Alt key and drag. I'm going to do this a couple of times. And so I am creating this chain. I would like to combine them into one shape. I select them all, and I'm going to choose the Shape Builder tool. It creates them all in one shape. Looks kind of like a worm. Now I would like to cut out half of it. So I'm going to switch over to my rectangle tool. I'm going to cover up half of this shape. I'm going to select both shapes by dragging a rectangle around them. I'm going to choose my Shape Builder tool again, and I'm going to select these two to create a single shape. I select the rectangle, and now you can see the shape I have built that I can move around. I could rotate